welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Nature's Co box for the month of June. So first of all, let me show you the bag for June month, and this is the bag. It's a sling bag and you can just see it's so pretty. I love the color red. Generally I don't like red color, but this red, you can just see it's so beautiful, and the bag itself is so nice. You can just see the quality is so amazing. You can adjust the length of the bag from here. Then it has two zipper here, and once you open it, it has one inside zipper here. So the bag is just perfect. I loved it, and for me, this is the star product for sure. Now, first of all, let me tell you the price, and then I will show you the product. So the price for a monthly subscription is 845 rupees. And let me tell you from where I've got this box. I have got this box through Scriber. Now let me tell you what is Scriber. Scriber is a website through which you can place order for your subscription boxes. Now, why you should use Scriber? Because if you use Scriber, first of all, you will get almost all the boxes there, subscription boxes. So you don't have to go here and there for subscription boxes. You can just pick the subscription boxes, whatever you want. You can just compare it and you can just buy a perfect box for yourself. The second thing is that you will get 10% discount if you use Scriber. I will be giving you a code. I will mention that in the description box. So check the description box for that. And then Scriber, you will get the option for COD, which is amazing because in some subscription boxes, they don't have option for COD. But if you use Scriber to place the order, you will get that option, which is again amazing. So that's why Scriber. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So check the description box. Now let's come back to Nature's Co and let's start. The first thing is this. This is the info sheet, you can say, and you can just see how detailed information they have given, which is amazing. Everything about the product. Let's start. It says hello drizzle, and this is the June monsoon edition. The beauty world problems no more. Beauty wish box is here. Now the first one says some me time, and in this they have actually categorized everything, so I will be showing you according to that. So the first one is some me time, and this has the improved version of eucalyptus eye pillow, and I already have this, and this is the improved one. Of course, I have the earlier one. That one is amazing. You can just keep it in the fridge and then you can just keep it on your eyes, and this is so relaxing. This is so amazing. I love it. And now I have the improved one as well. The price for this one is 695 rupees, and it comes with this beautiful zipper, and this is how it looks. And it comes with this, so you can just keep it on your eyes and just close it. So amazing. I love it, and wow, it smells like that eucalyptus. Yes, so very happy with this. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is Radiant Hue. In this they have given a face wash, which is Cool Cucumber face wash. 50 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 300 rupees. And the full size is for 125 rupees. The price for that is 695 rupees. Let me tell you, the face wash from Nature's Co are just amazing. You take any variant, they are just amazing. They are the best face wash. I can say the cucumber, not the cucumber one, the strawberry, the watermelon, all these flavors are just amazing. I love their face washes. This one is Cool Cucumber. So yes, happy with this one. The next one is from the same category, Radiant Hue, and the next one is this. This is Fuller's Earth Face Pack, and I have used it, and it's really nice. It actually smells like Fuller's Earth, and you know, there are multiple benefits of Fuller's Earth. So it's a pure Fuller's Earth face pack. The price for this one is 350 rupees for 25 gram. And yes, happy because I've used it. I know it's a good product. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is Bye Bye Dead Skin. And in this category, they have given us this. This is the Kiwi Explorator Shower Gel. 50 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 225 rupees and looks nice. It says, kiwi seeds generally exfoliate and cleanse your skin, leaving behind its exotic fragrance. So yes, you're gonna smell like kiwi. So yes, definitely going to use it. Very good product. Now, the last category is for foot care, and this is the most important. It says this one is the lemongrass foot spray, 30 ml is the quantity, 175 rupees is the price, and it says monsoon surely brings the relief from summer, but what it also brings is wet, smelly, and dirty feet, fear of fungal and bacterial infection, and many concerns related to your feet. Foot care is of primary concern in monsoon, and hence we present to you this excellent lemongrass foot spray. So looks nice, fungal and bacterial infections. It will actually prevent it. So looks nice, and you can just see plastic cute bottle with spray, so you can just spray it. So packing wise good, looks nice. I'm definitely going to try this. Now the next is Stay Dry, and it says keep your smartphone in waterproof mobile pouch to safeguard your phone from getting wet and further damage, worth ₹150, and this is a free gift. So this is how it looks. You can just open it from here. Let me just see. Okay, yeah, you can just open it from here, and you can just keep your phone inside this, and it comes with this sling thing. So yeah, quite a useful product. Now, the last one is, it says also keep your essentials safe and dry even if you are battling with a heavy downpour. In colorful waterproof pouch, come sling bag, worth ₹200. So this is the bag, and I loved it. I absolutely love it. It's really pretty, very useful bag. So yes, I'm in love with this. This is the last product. And that's all what I have received in my Nature Scope for June month. The total worth of all the product is ₹2,045, which is amazing. You have seen all the product, and if you like it, go ahead and purchase it. I will be mentioning all the detail in the description box. And that's all about Nature Scope. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.